A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. The shower space takes center stage. Kofi is installing hooks. The glass tile is hard to drill into, even with the proper bit and an 8-pound hammer drill. Kofi had installed the shower door and it was challenging to drill holes where they should be due to the hard, slippery tile. With screw fasteners ruled out, adhesion with glue is the next viable solution, short of using sealing hangers. The tile surface must be pristine, so Kofi used alcohol swabs. The swabs do not leave lint or residue. The adhesion surface must also be smooth and flat, which glass tiles are. This would not work with stone veneer. Kofi uses a laser level to reduce the required measuring and avoid marking. The tiles are 11.5 inches wide and the hooks are 1 3/4 inches. Some quick math. 11.5 minus 1.75. The result divided by 2 gives 4 7/8 inches. This is where the edge of the hook will be placed from the edge of the tile. You're seeing the challenging portion, squeezing the hooks on the wall for 30 seconds. After 12 hours, they'll be ready for use. Doing this seems to take a lot of energy and wears the hands out fast. Maybe it's Kofi. It's better experience than installing stoppers, which required a 3-minute hold. Surely, after this workout, Kofi will put on a couple pounds of muscle. And the sponge on the floor of the tub will have a new permanent home. To ensure the hooks are not intrusive, they are placed away from the shower where cleaning happens. The back of the tub is for entry and exit. The person may be wrapped with a towel and hooks may be a snag, which is not desirable. Therefore, the hooks are placed out of the way and towards the long shower wall. Like happy teens with a newly created rec center, so the bathroom sponges have a place to go. That's all for today. This is recommended for installing hooks in the bathroom featuring glass tile. Kofi continues his chores, maintaining and renovating the 18th, and if you're new, please consider a subscription. The videos can be regarded as long-term reviews, and Kofi will let subscribers know how the hooks perform. And with that, the day is won.